These AI mechanical toy videos are blowing up right now. One page gained over 300,000 followers just by posting videos like these. Some of them reached over 20 million views. Now watch what I created using the same idea. No 3D software, no animation skills, just ChatGPT and Meta AI. Let me show you exactly how I made it. The entire process takes just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, I opened ChatGPT and asked it to create a realistic mechanical toy scene. Something like a miniature brass steamroller with moving gears, polished steel, ultra-realistic macro photography, cinematic lighting. Then ChatGPT generated a detailed image prompt. Next, I used that prompt to generate an image. The goal is to make it look as realistic as possible. The better your image looks, the better your final video will look. Once the image was ready, I opened Meta AI. I uploaded the image and added this animation prompt. Smooth mechanical movement, realistic gear rotation, cinematic camera motion. Then I clicked Generate. A few moments later, this was the final result. Honestly, it looks like a real mechanical toy. And that's just one example. You can create excavators, steamrollers, bulldozers, cranes, mini factories, or anything else you can imagine. If you want more viral AI tutorials, free AI prompts, and free AI tools, subscribe to Artur AI. I'll see you in the next video.